Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my one-page commissions review. I'm here inside the sales page and today I'm gonna give you a full walkthrough. I'm also going to show you what the prices and upsells are, how much all this costs, and on top of that, I got some really cool juicy bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of one-page commissions. In a nutshell, one-page commissions, it's a brand new app that generates these review articles filled with bonuses, and you can embed your affiliate links inside these articles. If you don't know how to write articles or you don't want to get into this blogging and basically SEO, this is gonna save you so much time, so much effort, and hopefully so much more money. So if you are interested in picking up one-page commissions anytime during watching this review video, just click the link down below in the description. The first link, come through to my bonus page right here, scroll down and click on one of these yellow buttons. This is gonna go live on the 30th of June at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Only then you can come through to my bonus page and click on the yellow buttons. You'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up one-page commissions. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and so will this page. I don't want you to miss out on my bonuses because it took me a lot of time to gather these bonuses and they are exclusive to me. They are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So bear in mind that if you want these bonuses alongside your one-page commission purchase, you have to pick it up from the first link down below in the description from my bonus page. My first bonus is going to be access to a Cartel Pro. Cartel is basically another software or another app that is going to allow you to build landing pages. Why am I giving you this? Because inside the one-page commissions on the front end, you only get like 27 review blogs, and you don't get any more than 27. With Cartel Pro, the Pro Edition, you can create landing pages, you can create bonus pages, and it's unlimited. So basically, you can create unlimited pages inside Cartel Pro. It's a really cool software. The second bonus is gonna be access for OTO buyers. I'm gonna give you access to done for you bonus pages and done for you landing pages. Now, I'm not gonna specify this bonus to any one of the OTOs. You can pick up any upsell that you want, and I'm still gonna give you access to this even if you buy from the down sale. Let me see if there is a down sale here. Yeah, so we don't have down sale. We have down sale of the fourth upsell. But anyways, if you want to pick up any one of these upsells, we're gonna talk about the pricing in the upsells later. I'm gonna give you the access to my done for you bonus pages. I'm gonna give you done for you bonus pages for 365 days, just like the one that you are on right now. I'm gonna give you these bonuses completely for free alongside your upsell purchase. I'm also gonna give you done for you landing pages. These landing pages I have tested myself and they convert between 50% up to 60% opt-in rate. My third bonus is gonna be access to 80 done for you bonuses. I'm gonna give you bonuses that you can give away alongside your reviews. These are high quality bonuses. They are courses, trainings, and also I'm gonna give you some apps all inside this bonus. You have to pick up the front end. You don't have to pick up any of the upsells for this bonus. My fourth bonus is going to be access on how to rank #1 on Google, because obviously if you don't rank your article or if you don't rank your website, you're not going to get any traffic and obviously you are not going to get any sales. I'm going to show you on how to rank your website to the first page of Google. My fifth bonus is going to be a hack on how to grow your email list fast using one-page commissions. I'm going to show you on how to grow it really fast, how to grow a buyer's list fast, because buyer's list convert and buyer's list are more likely to buy from you than normal leads. My last bonus is gonna be access to all the vendors bonuses. I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are gonna be offering these bonuses alone, or they're gonna offer some other bonuses that aren't congruent to one-page commissions. I have set up all my custom bonuses to be congruent with one-page commissions to help you get the best out of your purchase. So make sure to go and quit or exit out of this video, go watch other reviews, and then once you realize that my bonuses are the best and the most useful, you can come back to my page, come back to the video, come back to my page here, and you can pick up your copy via one of these buttons. Now I'm gonna leave you with the demo video. I know it's like 1 minute or 2 minutes, but it explains everything. It's gonna give you an in-depth look inside the software. Then we're gonna come back, take a look at the sales page, and talk about the prices in the upsell. See you in a bit.
And the simple login page, you just place your name and your affiliate link, and you know what it is, or you could just place your website or google.com I'll use for now, and nice little options for your photo, URL, and information about you. You don't have to do that. You can fill that in later, and there's your page. It's all ready. Your video's ready, and it's got reviews set on the page you just clicked on, and pros and cons are available, and what people are saying about the product you promote. And then you get to the bonuses, and you just copy and push the yellow button as you just saw, and it takes you to promoted product. Magnificent. Look at all those bonus options for your bonus pages. You know how people have bonuses, right? Get your copy and exclusive bonuses, and you just click on the yellow button to get started. And as soon as you do that, you go to the URL address bar, and you just copy and paste that, and it's all set and done. It's applied. There you go. See how simple and easy it is? It's just great. All right. It works great.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you had the right idea about one-page commissions. I know the demo video was not that long. It was like a minute or approximately a minute and a half. But he explained to you everything that you are gonna get inside. And as you can see, it's as simple as clicking a few buttons and filling up few forms, and you'll be able to generate these reviews. Now let's take a look at the sales page right here. 100% done for you commission sites, preloaded with reviews and bonuses. Snatch our commission sites and profit in no time, beginner friendly and set and forget simple. We have agency rights included. In fact, now this product does not guarantee income or success. So basically he's telling you that it's not 100% sure that you are gonna make money with this, but if you know how to drive traffic to these review videos, you're gonna be able to make money, and hopefully you're gonna get a ton of traffic, because inside my bonus I showed you on how to rank your reviews on the first page of Google. So hopefully that I have covered that part for you. Here we have some bullet points. We have some bullet points. You can check them out in your own time. We have some information about the product right here. We have the demo video that I just showed you, and we have some more information, some more details. We have the bullet points again. So get one commission software, one-page commission software, paste your name and affiliate link, click on use, and that's pretty much it. Your review article will be generated. And we have some more info. You can check out the sales page at your own time. I'm not gonna go ahead and show you everything in the sales page. You can check it out at your own time. Let's jump right into the prices in the upsell. Everything I just showed you, or everything he showcased inside the demo video, you're gonna get for $17. It's gonna be the turnkey review page for 27 evergreen top converting products. You're gonna get 27 review pages for just $17. It makes it a no-brainer with my bonuses, especially I'm giving you access to Cartel Pro, which is worth more than $97. So I'm pretty sure the front end is a no-brainer. The first upsell is gonna be the one-page commission app Pro. It's gonna be for $17 as well. I don't know what the difference is between the Pro version and the normal version. You can check this out at the first upsell page. I'm not gonna I don't have any idea about this upsell. It basically wrote the same thing. Maybe you get more review pages, I don't know. You can check it out at the upsell number 1 sales page. For the upsell number 2, we have the one-page commission club for $24.95, opt-in pages for 27 products, plus new reviews and bonus pages for a year. I'm basically giving you this bonus as my second bonus if you pick up one of the OTOs. So let me break it down for you. If you pick up the first upsell, if you pick up the front end in the first upsell, you're basically gonna get the second upsell as for free, because I'm giving it to you as a bonus if you pick up any one of the OTOs. I hope I make sense. If you decided to pick up any one of the OTOs, anywhere from the first upsell up to the sixth upsell, you can choose whichever you want. You get access to my bonus. But if you pick up the front end in the first upsell, you're basically gonna get the second upsell for free, because I'm giving it to you as a bonus. So I'm pretty sure that makes it a no-brainer for the first upsell. You don't need to get the second upsell if you already got the first upsell, because like I said, I'm gonna give it to you as a bonus. The third upsell is gonna be reseller rights for $39. You get 100% profit from the funnel until this point. So basically you get 100% commission if you decided to promote one-page commissions up to upsell number 3. So you're gonna get 100% commission for the front end, upsell number 1, upsell number 2, and upsell number 3, and you're gonna get 50% commission on the rest of the funnel. Now the upsell number 4 is gonna be one-page commission editor for $27 a year. Basically, the one-page commission app is not gonna allow you to build it's not gonna allow you to build or to customize your review videos. But if you pick up the 4th upsell, you're gonna get the one-page commission editor for $27 a year. It's still a pretty great deal, but don't pick it up. Don't pick up the 4th upsell. Don't pick up the 4th downsell, because once you pick up the front end, you're gonna get access to Cartel Pro, which is the same exact thing with more features. So you definitely don't pick up the 4th upsell. The 5th upsell is gonna be one-page commission editor Pro for $67, additional features and double numbers of templates. You're gonna get these additional features, and you're gonna get the double number of templates, so approximately 56 templates or 54 templates for $67. And we have the upsell number 6, which is the one-page commission editor club for $27 a month. You get tons of templates plus more monthly. So you're gonna get a library of templates, plus they're gonna add templates, new templates each and every month. I hope you got that. So basically, pick up the front end, pick up the first upsell, and you will get the second upsell for free. If you want to sell this product as your own in bank 100% commission up to the 3rd upsell, you have to pay $39, which is a no-brainer. So if you want to sell one-page commissions app as your own product, you can get the 3rd upsell. Don't pick up the 4th upsell. The 5th upsell, if you want additional features and double the number of templates, definitely consider picking up the 5th upsell. In the last upsell, I don't know if you actually need this, so I'm not gonna recommend you to pick up the 6th upsell. This was my review. If you have any questions regarding my review or regarding one-page commissions app, don't hesitate to hit me up. I'm gonna respond as soon as I see it. Just comment down below and I'll reply to you. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.